That's terrible lighting. I'm finding it easier to wake up because his alarm goes off at 6. And I really think having the windows open and letting in the natural light has helped. I heard that natural light helps you to wake up your body clock to say it's time to get up. Good thing I saw that because I put orange juice on my list. Apparently we don't need orange juice.
That's a whole container. Protein shake. Best morning protein shake. Orange juice and vanilla protein. Or I'm just getting used to gross drinks. It's one of the two.
I, on the other hand, am 5 minutes late for my run. I better get my headphones in and get my arm strap on and get going. My run this morning was really good. Got in a little over 1.5 miles, so I'm beating my goal. This is day 3, so technically I've run 4.5 miles over the past 3 days. I'm actually noticing that I'm not as tired as I was in the evenings before I started running every day and getting up early. And maybe it's the whole getting up early and getting a lot more done in the morning that I feel more accomplished by later in the afternoon. I feel like I've got more time in the day. I'm still doing workouts with Justin even though late at night when he gets in from work and after dinner and we get the kids all in bed. But that's one of the nice things about working out at home is we can do it whenever it's comfortable for us, whenever we've got time to get it in. But I like that time with Justin, and plus we also need that time to film some of our workout videos, which you all should go check out. And since he doesn't have time to run and work out in the morning, we've got to split it up somehow. And if you haven't yet, make sure to follow us on Instagram. It's WOAH Workouts at Home 365, so WOAH 365 on Instagram. And follow us and I'll post a daily update about my running. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other workouts, especially one of our leg days if you're doing the running with me. It's important to work the muscles in your legs, not just while running. I gotta go. Just got in from getting the mail and this came today. Runner's Magazine. This is what inspired me to do this running every day. And I think I'm gonna switch it to running every day for a month because I'm liking it so much and it's only been 3 days. Running every day for a month instead of running every day for a week.